Welcome to Sylvia Stingray. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Sylvia, your Yuri Manhwa translator. Hey guys, good afternoon. Let me present you the new chapter of I Don't Know His Majesty is a Girl, chapter 82. So here it is. Let's read the story. To the Emperor and General Tantay. The two of them are moving. It seems that Xinyan, she really feel better now. Father and father, after the secret order, they took the soldiers to the capital in 3 ways. If you want to come, you can come to the suburbs of Beijing to join us in 2 days. General Tantay said to Xinyan, I don't know what happened to Yuer, but I really can't let her go alone in the palace. Now Xinyan, she got really worried about her, so it turns out the Queen Mother planned to separate the two of them. Now she was holding the Queen. Rest assured, the Falas and the Yu family have arranged people. No matter what happens, they will definitely protect the safety of the mother. Well, General Tantay seems to be calmed down, but Persinian, of course, she got really worried about the Queen. Besides, what are you going to do this time? It's not only justifiable accepting the right, but also to find out who else is behind the Queen Mother. After all the troubles, you can feel at ease in the future. General Tantay told Xinyan about this. You are right. There is no force behind this. To support my mother, I'm afraid I don't have guts of walking on the street with knowing of being eliminated by someone. Now, Xinyan, she is really afraid of. Someone might go after her again. In the end, it was a mess up and it could not been ended off like this. Well, there's greedy, it's not enough. She was pertaining to her mother. For her, only the Queen Mother will think and plan like this. Even though she is only the real biological daughter of the Queen Mother, she can really flaunt it like this. Why? Hassan, Tani, Sheng is not arrived yet. Luxia's high fever will persist. So it turns out everything got worried about Xenia. Well, Xenia really escaped from the Yu family. To return to the fort to the Queen Mother, Lu was convulsed in the middle of the night. I'm afraid that the body has not been recovered. The last coma last time. This time, it was the cold again, and I'm afraid that not very good. So, it turns out this person was going to report everything to the Queen Mother. Everything that happened to Xenia. The son accompanied the Queen's back to her mother's house. How did it get so sick? Oh, it turns out the Queen Mother, she was acting that she doesn't know what's happening. Don't worry about me. As the Queen Mother, I have no other meaning, and I'm just too worried. She was looking at the Queen. But the Queen, she was only in silence. She was waiting for the Queen Mother's thought. Tai Sheng's wonderful hand that rejuvenates, and it will definitely be like the mother's heart. Oh, it turns out she knows how to trick the Queen. And right now, she is telling her something so the Queen Mother can calm down. I'm looking at the Queen's face and she don't look good. She just throwing off twice just now. Throwing off? Now, so she going to flaunt that. In prayer position, look at the Queen too. The Queen Mother, right now, she want the Queen to get checked by the physician. Well, what a tricky. The Queen Mother will flaunting something, especially by the Queen. Right now, she told them something is happening to the Queen. Congratulations to the Queen Mother. It was a happy pulse. It's been nearly 3 months. Oh, this thing. The physician said that the Queen, she is pregnant and it's almost 3 months. The Queen Mother, she was really good at acting. Seriously, former courtiers, I'm still worried about the emperors here. Now, I am happy, which is a good thing. Empress Li is deeply in love, and you're the only one in the harem. If the baby inside the queen's belly, it will be the crown prince. If it's the princess, it will be the crown princess. Although the emperor is seriously ill, he will not object to it. Queen Mother said to all of them, announce it to the world immediately, and I will also be a good thing for the emperor. Congratulations. The Queen Mother and also the Empress Precision is greeting the two of them. Now, looking at the Queen Mother, she was really good at acting. The Emperor was seriously ill, and the Queen was pregnant, but the state of affairs could be not left unattended. The Queen Mother announced to all of them, still, the Queen. Right now, I have been ruling the country from behind the scenes for many years during this period of time. I will handle the things on behalf of the Emperor. The Queen Mother is informing them, well, it was not new. She's been controlling Xinyan before, and right now, when she have thought in mind, Queen Mother really interrupted her. Now, the Queen said to the Queen Mother, "Thank you for your help, Mother. Just be nice to your kids." The Queen Mother said to the little Queen, "Well, this is sad. Turns out." And the Queen, she has no choice but to obey the Queen Mothers. So, Xinyan will not get punished by the Queen Mother itself. Because of Xinyan, the Queen Mother has been locked up in the palace. The Queen Mother is going to revenge on her. The Queen itself said to the Queen Mother, "Are you satisfied?" Well, she was really good at acting. Since the two of them are alone in the room, well, she can ask freely to the Queen Mother. Now, the Queen Mother, "If you stay obedient, I will make you happy." The Queen Mother said to her. Now, the Queen Mother, she is truly a mischievous person. Looking at herself, she was smiling arrogantly. Although the Queen, she can really obey her. But she has no choice. The Queen should just take good care of her pregnancy. The Queen Mother said to the little Queen, "Now, this stuff, how can they planted it? How can she be acting that she is pregnant? How can she bear a child?" Being controlled by the Queen Mother at this moment, little Queen, she really feels so empty. Without Xinyan by her side, at this moment, it was really sad. The Queen Mother, at this moment, heard you're the Queen's biological brother. I have heard that you two have a deep brotherly love. Why did you choose to be my disciple this time? The brother of the Queen itself, family reputations, career glory, which one is more important than the love between brothers and sisters? Your Majesty has single-handedly supported your family, so I think you can understand my ambition. Lord Yu said to the Queen Mother. The Queen Mother said to her, "Is the Emperor still in your house?" Now, she wanted to ask about Xinyan. She noted to herself that she is not aware that Xinyan is already awakened and she can travel with Tantelan. Queen Mother, her wife, the Queen, is currently having a doctor to treat her well, and she will not allow your Majesty to get into trouble at this critical moment. Lord Yu is reporting to the Queen Mother about Xinyan. Now, the Queen Mother was looking at Lord Yu. So it turns out, right now, she wants to dominate Xinyan also, controlling him about the Queen. Well, this is not good. He seems to be surprised. What is he going to do? It's not really good, and it was really causing trouble for her sister in the future. Well, let's see on what's gonna happen next. Hey guys, thanks for watching. If you like the video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Membership is already open. For those who want to support, you can support me by joining the membership or you can directly support me via Ko-Fi. Thank you, bye!